you are the best thing that has ever happened to me. You are the strongest, most independent, amazing woman I have ever met. I love how loyal you are. Your love has changed my outlook on life completely. I promise that I will always respect and honor you. I promise to never take you for granted and to continue to love you unconditionally for the rest of our lives.
Mike, you came into my life when I least expected it. You make every effort in every aspect of our relationship. You're my soulmate and my best friend. You give me everything, your love, your unwavering support. You are the person I want to wake up with every morning. You are my home. I vow to continue to grow with you, support your dreams and ambitions. I love you. Let's do this.
I love you too.
By the authority vested in me by the Commonwealth of Massachusetts, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride. Diana, you just bring so much light and happiness to him. I just appreciate you for that so much. And now I'm happy that I'm handing him off to your capable hands. I know that you guys are going to make a great couple, and there's many years of happiness to come.
Mike and Diana, you two make a great team, and I wish you two nothing but the best in this new chapter of your lives. Today is only the beginning, and I wish you two countless years of joy, laughter, and adventure. May your life together be filled with love, humor, and plenty of hikes that don't involve lost phones.
They have created the perfect little family together with Murphy, Ozzy, and Jer. And Mike, you are her soulmate, and I couldn't be happier to welcome you into our family. I know the two of you will continue to have a beautiful life filled with adventures, love, and laughter. And I wish you all the best. Everyone, raise a glass to my sister and Mike. You're welcome.
Diana, as our last time to dress up, I proudly take the seat as the maid of honor. Mike, thank you for loving my sister and always having her back. You both will forever reign to the bride and groom, Mr. and Mrs. Pettypaw.